Yeah, Apollo Sacks, fall 20 up in the city, man. I don't give a fuck who's watching, who's listening. I ain't give a shit, you know. I'ma ride for my city, and I'ma keep going for my city, and I'ma keep riding for my city, and I'ma keep rolling for my city. Every day I pray, like it when nothing to me. I swear to God, man, I swear to God. Tell my son that one day you will be a star, you will be a star. One day you will make it out of the hood. You will take everybody with you. It's to show love, just to let you know you're well. It doesn't matter what they gotta say to nobody else. Ain't nobody gotta tell you that you're really perfect in this world. Yes, to let you know that it's a struggle. Life is a bitch, I swear to God. Don't know what to do no more. I swear to God, tell my son one day you will be somebody important up in the world, man. I swear you will take over the world, just to let you know. Ain't nothing man the one that got anything to me. I'm a real run and I'm a my city. Doesn't matter what they gotta say. It doesn't for my homie little Colin. You already know what he can understand. Life is a struggle in these days. I don't understand why a motherfucker keeps switching up on motherfucker for a world. Man, I swear to God, I'm supposed to have your back, you supposed to have my back. Now you turn on me, but that's alright, ain't tripping up on anything. You already know one thing, I will make it to the top one day. Just to let you know I am. Doesn't matter what they gonna say to me. One day I'ma take it easy. And I'ma live the time, just to let you know. I'ma take everybody with me, just to let you know who's a big get balls around here, cause they ain't no playing around with nobody. Just to let you know, ain't no taking no more chances, ain't really worried. And I'ma up that pipe, just to let you know I ain't really tripping about anything. I'm a real hot nigga up on the block. You ain't no one about but I think what you say around me, man, I swear. And I'ma pop it in your mellow, just to let you know I will not take no more chances no more. After chances so well, just to let you know that life is a struggle. Don't understand what they gon' know. I ain't never gotta let this shit slide, you know. I'm not gonna let this shit slide. No. I'm not gonna let this shit slide.